Well, I'm making another quick trip to come scout some property. I decided to bring a fishing pole with me this time. Saw some pretty big bass last time I was walking this river, so I've had people ask me, hey, how do you have time to do that? And we're talking, maybe every other week, maybe an hour and 30 minutes. And I asked them the same question, is like, how do you have time to watch so many movies and episodes of TV and just sit around and not do anything? So there he is. What the heck is that? Little perch. Man, there's just something cool about walking these shallow water rivers and looking for little fish that are going to be in the pockets of water. It's just exciting because you don't know what kind of fish is going to be in there. So if you ever get the chance to just walk a shallow water river, man, don't be too good to check it out, because it's fun. I don't know how to explain it other than it's just fun.